Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana, I think, hasn't really changed since yesterday. Pushed a little bit higher, while many other coins were dipping a little bit. That's pretty much in line with the yellow scenario here. I think we talked about it yesterday, and I highlighted the yellow 3 might still push a little bit higher, but really important is to observe the relevant support levels, which are located between $148.34 and $156.76. Because as long as we're holding above micro support, the yellow scenario seems to be leading after the local, or let's say after the upside breakout of the local range that we have seen. Now, it is, I think, important to recognize that the wave 4 could start at any point here, this one, yeah. And however, the larger degree third wave here should get to $208. So that will be like a milestone target. And to get there, I think it's quite good if the internal third wave of that larger third wave, here, the internal third wave, extends a little bit. Next resistance, as you know, is around $179. And then we have the larger degree trend line. I think that's going to be a big one to overcome. This is located around $184, and I have to adjust micro support based on yesterday's high. Now, not much, but the price pushed a little bit higher, and these Fibonacci support areas, they are always calculated based on the previous wave, pretty much. Okay, it's like, you know, the retracements have to be calculated on the, let's say, on the length of the previous wave, on the previous structure. So naturally, you know, once we push a bit higher, the support zone needs to be shifted together with the price. I've just done that. Support is now between $149.56 and $158.84. And please note that the yellow C wave to the upside would have to be an not the yellow C wave, the yellow third wave would have to be an ABC structure for various reasons that I mentioned in previous updates, but mainly because the initial move up is a 3-wave move up. Then we had a pullback. And this also here, the wave 1 in yellow is a 3-wave move. So it could be wave 1 of C, but then the wave C has to be a diagonal, which means all the subwaves are ABC structures. Now, I have run out of wave degrees to show that, but essentially if wave 1 is an ABC, then the wave 3 should also be an ABC. Now, I don't have any more micro counts available because this is where we would enter, let's say, a wave degree that's just completely unreliable. So I think it's important to pay attention to the upper micro support between $149.56 and $158.84, while being mindful that above we have some resistance around $179, next upside target you could call it, the red line at 184, and then 196.60 in case of a breakout. That's also where we had the previous swing high from July, and a very important milestone target for Circle 3 is located around 208. That's the update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.